Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Linux or any other operating system through a software called VirtualBox. For those who don't know what is VirtualBox, it is a software used to run operating systems virtually on a host machine. For doing this, you don't need to mess up with original operating system or primary operating system which is currently installed on your computer. This software runs virtual operating systems inside a host operating system, and it is a very good way to install operating systems which you are going to try or just want to give a try, and it is also very easy to use. You need this software called VirtualBox from Oracle, and you also need an ISO of any operating system of your choice. For example, we are going to use Ubuntu. To download VirtualBox, open a web browser and type virtualbox.org in the search box and hit enter. In the home page, click on this big blue button and it will redirect to the download page. Click on Windows host if you are using Windows, and the download should automatically start. I have already downloaded the file, so I will cancel the download. You also need a ISO file of operating system. Let us download Ubuntu. Type Ubuntu in the Google search bar and hit enter, and click on the first link. Click on downloads, desktop, and click on download. The download will automatically start. Download this file. I have already downloaded this file, so I will cancel the download. Now let us install VirtualBox. Double click on this icon and setup will start. Click on next, next. The installation process will start. After completing installation, click on finish and open VirtualBox. Click on new. Give a name to the operating system and select the type of operating system in the drop down menu, and in the version select Ubuntu 64-bit or 32-bit. Before downloading the ISO file, check if your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. In my case it is 64-bit, so I will go with 64 and click on next. Assign RAM for your virtual machine. Assign about half of your memory to this. In my case I have 8 GB of RAM, so I will assign 4 GB for the operating system and click on next, and tick this create a virtual disk now. Click on create. Select VirtualBox disk image and click on next. Select dynamically allocated and click on next, and click on create. This will create the operating system files needed to run on VirtualBox. Click on this and click on start. It will ask you to select a startup disk. Click on browse and select the ISO file which you have downloaded and click on open and click on start. As you can see, the whole Ubuntu is running inside Windows in a small window. The installation process will start once the Ubuntu boots up. Once the installation has started, select on English and click on Install Ubuntu. Tick this Install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi drivers. It will install all the necessary MP3 player and drivers. If you have an active internet connection, also tick on this option. It will download any available updates and then click on Continue. Ubuntu says it has not found any OS on the drive. This is because we have created a virtual disk image which contains no OS. So click on this erase disk and install Ubuntu and click on Install Now. Click on Continue. And here enter your name and pick a password. Click on Continue. Now the installation process should start. This might take some time. This might take up to 10 to 15 minutes. Once the installation has been completed, click on Restart Now. The Ubuntu will restart. That's it. Now we have successfully installed Ubuntu inside a virtual machine which is running in a host machine. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.